Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue of the screen flopping backwards is quite common in Lenovo devices. This happens due to a failure in the hinges or the LCD cover, which may become loose or damaged over time. If you don't address this problem promptly, it can lead to further damage to the screen or the internal components, making the repair more complicated and costly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement LCD cover, new hinges, and some adhesive. Ensure you have a clean workspace and a small container to keep your screws organized. First, begin by turning off your Lenovo device and disconnecting it from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the hinges. They are usually situated on either side of the screen assembly. Inspect the hinges to confirm they are indeed the cause of the issue. If they appear worn or broken, it's time to replace them. To remove the faulty hinges, take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screws holding the hinges in place. Make sure to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for the new hinges. Gently lift the screen from the base after unscrewing the hinges, being cautious of any attached cables. Disconnect any cables that may be connected to the screen, noting their positions for reinstallation later. With the old hinges removed, you can now install the new ones. Align the new hinges with the mounting points and secure them with the screws you previously removed. It's important to apply gentle pressure when tightening the screws, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight, as this could damage the components. Once the new hinges are in place, reconnect any cables that were detached during the process. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to test the screen. Open and close it slowly to ensure it operates smoothly without flopping backwards. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover onto the device and press down to ensure all clips are securely fastened. It's beneficial to double-check everything is in place before the final assembly. To prevent this problem from recurring, avoid applying excessive pressure on the screen when opening or closing it. Additionally, ensure your device is not exposed to extreme temperatures or conditions that could weaken the hinges over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.